Hello everyone, I am Deepali Patel, a second semester student in MSc in Project Management at Ravensbourne University. Today I am here to giving a presentation on the topic of Refurnish Campus, upcycle furniture startup for the student housing. Now I am talking about short introduction about my project. Refurnish Campus is a solution that will help in reducing wastes through the upcycling of used furniture to supply students with inexpensive furniture products. The presentation will take a guided tour on how the project is to be excluded, implemented, monitored, and maintained. So the digital tools and the process maps oriented towards sustainability goals. We are going to emphasize the workflow, allocation of resources, and the collaboration of the stakeholder and impact-based decision making. Now I am talking about project objectives. The important goals involve developing a furniture recovery supply chain and providing good looking inexpensive furniture in a student accommodation. Project deliverables is not only on products, it also includes environmental tracking, professional development of labor skills, and community involvement. The milestone facilities the long term economic viabilities, but at the same time keep the social and environmental vision as the heart of the project. Now we are going through a process map. A sequence flow will be followed to give seamless flow in the process until the final delivery. Wasting minimized through categorization where areas rework is avoided through redesign planning. Durable and safe outputs are guaranteed by the process of refurnishment and the quality checks. Pricing is in tandem with affording objectives. A feedback chain is completed through final distribution and the student feedback, which promote the outcomes of continuous improvement and sustainability. Now, now we are talking about core process breakdown. Furniture collection are registered by purchasing. Condition assessment characterize the level of refurnishment. Redesign drawing are created electronically. Repairing, sanding, and the reassembling belong to a systemic workflow. Finish, change of clothes, and safety finish products. The segregation explains the movement of every furniture items within the film. Computer drawing reduce the redesign time and material mistakes. The restoration phase entails mechanical restoration, veneering, and bolstering of hardware. Replacement of upholstery cannot comfort and durability. Before the release of a fire-safe product, complaints checks are done to confirm its durability. The organization guarantees uniformly in the yield. For the sub processes, there are sub steps like the collection and registration, condition assessment, redesign and planning, refurbishment process, finishing, and QC. These sub-processes make discarded furniture into market-ready products. The evaluation phase helps to narrow off feasible items to minimize wastes. Redesigning digital guarantees that is plan efficiency, whereas expertise refurbishment supports longevity. Student satisfaction and safety are ensured by quality checks. On the whole, the workflow will improve the aim of the circular economy and material consumption optimization at each stage. Process sequence representation. The process sequence ensure smooth coordination from the material intake to final delivery. Categorization reduce waste while redesign planning avoid rework. Refurnishment and quality checks ensure durable safe outputs. Pricing align with affordability goals. Final distribution and student feedback close the loop, supporting continuous improvement and sustainability outcomes. Sustainability integration. Sustainability is not a agency activity but a central part of all phases. Waste is a transfer into input and the meaning of value has been refined. Monitoring carbon saving emphasizes accountability and the transparency. Affordability will promote sustainable purchasing behavior by the students and the change the culture of consumption. The objective is scalable and circular, which is advantageous to the environment, community, and the project economy. Now I am talking about a digital tool used in my project. The project incorporate the use of digital tool both at the operational level and the communication level. MS project organize the work, schedule and dependency and the Trello follow up the task of continuous revolution. Zoho inventory control the movement of stock, avoidance any shortage. Planning design is a based on AutoCAD and a SketchUp. The ability to communicate with the stakeholder, review cycle, and the progress monitoring are the possible with Google Workplace. Conclusion of the project. The process map is efficient and supports the elements of sustainability. Planning, production, and reporting are optimized using digital tools. Supply continuity and the adoption through stakeholder involvement. Reduction of waste enhance the circular business value. Refurnish campus is a scalable and sustainable project. The current presentation explains how systematic digital process map can direct the refurnished processes covering sources through delivery. The goal is on sustainability and circularity. Online tools minimize time waste, monitor resources, and environmental performance. On the basis of stakeholder congruency and effective planning, refurnished campus will be able to grow to become an example of sustainable student-based furnishing system. Thank you for watching.